Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a stablecoin farm, a pool that you can get some insane returns for stablecoins. I've never seen anything as high as this, and we're going to talk a little bit about the platform, and then I'll just go through the steps that you need to do to get in on this pool. So with that said, let's roll that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and bell notification, so when I upload my latest vids, you get notified immediately. Hey guys, welcome back. So this one here we're talking about here is at Iron Finance. All right, now I was speaking about Iron Finance before. When they had the Binance Smart Chain and they had pools sitting on Value DeFi, they had a couple of coins. They had Iron Coin, which they still have, and they had this other Steel Coin, and that coin didn't do too well. However, now what they've done is they've changed up their protocol, and now they're on Polygon, and this is only new. So it's like coming back to a yield farm that I did do before. So, and I did this several months back. So the team has progressed, and now they're cross-chained into Polygon, which is yeah, it's good for the platform. So currently there's 468 million total value locked. That's nearly $500 million. So there's obviously things going on, and Polygon's been, it's getting a lot of attention because basically the whole Ethereum ecosystem can just melt into Polygon, and the fees are lower than Binance Smart Chain. So it's getting a lot of attention. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on these bottom two pools. Now there's a lot of ways you could do this. We're just going to keep it really, really simple because I know there's a lot of new people in DeFi and yield farming and they don't know about this stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the two bottom ones. All right, this is a stable coin pair. So Iron Finance is a stable coin, and USDC is obviously a stable coin. And when you pair them up together, there's literally no impermanent loss. And look at the APR. It's a ridiculous 376 or 375. That is absolutely insane. That's over 1% per day. Usually when you see this sort of stable coin LPs, they generally pay 0.1% to, if you're lucky, 0.25%, a quarter of a percent. This thing's paying over 1%. We're going to do this one here, this Iron Finance. If you haven't added the MATIC network information into your MetaMask wallet, so then you can use MATIC in MetaMask, just go to chainlist.org, connect up your wallet here, and then just search for the networks, MATIC, and then all you need to do is just go add to MetaMask. Okay, so what this is going to do is it saves you the trouble of adding all this yourself. It'll just automatically add it for you, okay, with just a click of a button. And then you can just flick over to it. I'm already in it here now, and I'm already set up. Now the problem with this is you got to get your coins into Polygon first, because we're going to use the Polygon chain, okay? So we're going to do this all on Polygon. However, you got to get some money into it first. So what I'm going to do is I decided to use Binance Smart Chain. All right, and I found, well, this site was a few people in the Patreon group, they mentioned this site. I did try it and it worked fine, and I had no issues with it. All right, so see, the problem is going from Binance to Ethereum and then going from Ethereum to Polygon, or going from Ethereum to Polygon. But this one does the two steps in one. It goes from Binance directly to Polygon, usually you have to go through Ethereum first, so it cuts out a step. Okay, so the one we're going to use here is USDC, because remember we got this one here. Okay, we're going to use this. I want to use this bottom one here on QuickSwap. You can use SushiSwap. It's up to you. They're pretty much the same, but we want to get this LP on QuickSwap. Okay, so first of all, we want to get some BUSDC. So what I did was I just got some BNB and I converted it to USDC. I did this on PancakeSwap first. So I'll have a BEEP20 or Binance Smart Chain USDC token. Okay, so then once I've got that, then I use this bridge. I'll put the link below. Be very careful. There's already another scam copy of this site. I'll put the link below. It's at evodefi.com. So what you got to do is you got to connect up your wallet, and you're going to go from Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. So when you connect up your wallet, it's going to be Binance Smart Chain. Okay, make sure that it's not going to work otherwise. So you're going from Binance Smart Chain here. Okay, then you're going to go to Polygon and you're going to do the USDC. Okay, so then you just unlock it. You just put the max amount, whatever you want to do, right? So you got to do 50-50. So just figure it out how much you want to spend. All right, if you want to put $100, you're going to need $50 of USDC and $50 worth of iron. Okay, but don't worry at the moment. Just get the USDC. It's going to give you this fee. The minimum was 50 USDC. And then you just click. I've already done it, but you just click max and then you click send. Okay, and then it'll take about less than a minute, and then you just it'll go through. Now it's sending it to your Polygon wallet. Okay, you can change the address if you want to, but by default it's going to send it to the same wallet, but just on MATIC. Okay, so once you do that, go back to Iron Finance and then just connect. Make sure you're connected to Polygon or MATIC. Same deal. All right, they're the same thing. And we're going to use this bottom one. So now we're going to use. We have to get the add liquidity. Okay, so we get the liquidity pair first, and we're going to get the liquidity pair on QuickSwap. Okay, see that QuickSwap. So we go add liquidity, and we need to add iron and USDC. However, you don't have iron at the moment, so I would just go to swap. Come up here, it says swap, and then just go USDC, and then do iron. Okay, so you go to 50-50. So if you got, I don't know, in this case, I had $100. I just bought $50 worth of iron. Then I'd have $50 worth less left over of USDC. Okay, so swap that. Once you got iron, go back to the liquidity to add, and then just go whatever's the least one. So this one here. Okay, so then just approve it first, and then you can sign off on it after you once it's approved. So what we're doing here is we're going to get the LP. So just wait for this to go through, and then we can there'll be another transaction, I think. So you're about to scale this up to whatever you want, okay? Because it's returning over 1% per day. So you can just do the numbers. 1,000 will get you about $10 a day. 5,000 will get you $50 a day. 10,000 will get you $100 a day. Okay, so now that's been approved. You just got to supply, confirm supply. So this is what it's gonna give me my LP here. Oh, I forgot to mention, when you use this Evo bridge, they're going to send you some MATIC, 0.001 MATIC, and that's good enough for 50 transactions, because you need MATIC in your wallet, or else you're not going to be able to use it, right? It's like gas. It's like Ethereum for gas. It's like Binance, BNB for Binance Smart Chain for gas, okay? But they'll send you some automatically, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so once that goes through, you should be able to see this LP show up. So let's just wait for that. Okay, so there it is there. There's my LP. All right, so now this is, you probably might be thinking, well, where is it? Well, it's in my MATIC wallet, all right, my MetaMask. It's here somewhere. You don't have to really, there it is there, okay? Yep, there it is, okay? Now that I've got that, I just go back to Titanum, to the pool, all right, on Iron Finance. Now it's showing my LP balance. So I just go 100% and just go approve. And once that's clear, just click deposit. You don't have to stress too much about the gas fees. Again, it's so minute. It's you're good to go for about 50 transactions. So when this goes through, you should see it here, okay? You'll see it pop up here where it says deposited. So that hasn't gone through yet, so we'll just wait for that. Okay, so now it showed up right there, okay? So now I'm actually earning. All right, now obviously I've only got $100 in there, so I'm only going to make like maybe $1 a day out of this. All right, so in a week I'll make $7, in a month I'll make $30. And once you start earning rewards, you get this Titan token, okay? You can claim it when you get this, when you get enough of it, okay? And the Titan token's about $7 at the moment. It's 7x than the last of, I don't know, couple of weeks or so. So it's going up, which is a good thing. You're earning this for free anyway, okay? So now that's done, you'll see you're deposited here, okay? Now with this, you can play around with this. You're earning the Titan token. You can actually go here to this pool once you get enough Titan, and then do the same. You could just pair it up with Iron Finance, the Iron token. And then you could then earn, this one's currently paying about 3% a day, okay? You could do that, or you could go to Polygon Finance. Again, this is a little bit more risky, all right? And then you could go to Vaults. So Polygon is MATIC, this runs on MATIC. And then you could get into some of these pools as well if you wanted to. They're paying about 3% per day. So again, high risk, but you know, really good rewards. So you got these ones here, which is 3% here, and you got a MATIC Titan, which is paying 3.72%. That's crazy. That's really, really high. Obviously, there's some impermanent loss there. So there's different ways you can do it. Obviously, there's, you know, whichever way you want to go. This is probably a little bit more risky. This Polycat, more risky, I think, than Iron Finance. I mean, Iron Finance has been around for, I think, about 3 months. Yeah, obviously, that's the risk. The biggest risk with this is you're putting it on Iron Finance. They did do a collab with Value DeFi and all that sort of stuff. Obviously, that's the risk that you're going to take, okay? I mean, there's nearly $500 million in here. So, everything is a risk in crypto, okay? So, I hope you got this tutorial and you can start earning this really, really good yield while it's still available. Once more people see this, find out about these two pools, this is going to go down. You're going to get less rewards, okay? If you want some more MATIC yield farming, I think that there is a big trend at the moment for MATIC because it's so cheap on the fees. It's you know, sitting under Ethereum, and all the stuff that is on Ethereum is easily migrated into MATIC, and I think you're going to see a lot of the volume move into MATIC, and that's why the token's price of MATIC continues to go up. Want to see some more tutorials on MATIC? Leave a comment below and I'll try to make some more. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is all risky. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.